Oh, what is this tiny little thing?
It's just a little drop of water, but we must be careful not to lose it.
I know. I'll keep my paw steady.
Good. One breeze in the wrong direction, and it's gone.
Easy now, little one. Just settle your feet. Good. Feel the curve of the leaf?
Structure steady, you're clear.
Whenever you're ready, the river's waiting for you.
Here you go, little buddy. Ready? Woo! Look at you glide! Perfect landing!
We did it! Couldn't have gone better.